Hello viewers, welcome to my channel iTech Solution. Today I will discuss another video for Excel page setup and page break preview, which will help you to assign the area of a page, print area of a page, and I show here how to adjust the page area in page break preview. So let us go to the file, new file. Here I have already said that there is no print area here because I have not write nothing here. So if I go for OK, what will happen? The fish Excel did not find anything to print. That is, there is no the text on the pages, so it will not go for printing a page. So let us start. And at that time I have also discussed that there was not a page break, and that the page break is now here, you see. And I have also said the page order. What is the order? That will be checked from the view menu, from the page break preview. So if you write something here, it will show the pages. Anything you write here, it will go page order also. You can see the page order that was discussed earlier. So now I will show how to adjust these pages. So the page order was can be changed from the page layout menu. I have already scheduled the tag page setup, and go to the sheet order, down then over, over then down. So here you can change the page order. Okay, then this is page 1, this is page 2, and this is page 3 here, because there is more text written. And then it will go downside, page 4, page 5. That is, if it is page 1, that it is not page 2 here, it is page 4, but the right side is a page 2. This is the page order, and you can change these by option sheet order, and down then over then OK. You see page 1, and it changes to page 2. So now I have to adjust the text. So I for this adjustment I will show you that this line can be adjusted. Yes, this line can be adjusted for the text area. So I will show with an example of fresh page here. Suppose I have text in this page here, and I have page break preview here, view, page break preview. So you see here there is a page line outside the area, text. So you increase this and also increase the downside area. So this is page 1 from this area, this is page 2, page 3, and I think this is the this text will be printed in 3 pages consecutively. So it can be adjusted by dragging this line, but it increases up to 4 pages. So it if you want to adjust in 2 pages, that can be proportionate to the paper sizes. Here I have paper size A4 sizes, so I can adjust in 3 pages here. So that can be in 3 pages. So yes, you can go for print command and preview here, that you see here, how many pages. Next page. So you see, this is the last text. So I think it is seen the beyond the idea of here the taskbar is not shown in the video area, but I have seen that it is the page 3. So close the it is understood that this area can be adjusted by you now. So next thing is to a little bit about print dialog box. So here is the how you will suppose you want to print page number 2 only, then that can be done by the print dialog box, giving here the pages, selecting the pages, and number of page number is here 2 start and 2 end. That is for page number 2. It will print only the page number 2. If you want to page 1 to 3, then it should be starting page 1 and ending page should be 3. And if you want only the page number 3, then you should give here starting also 3, ending also 3. So it is a typical cases in Excel that the page number should be given in both the starting page and ending page. Okay, it is clear now. And if I select all, then all the pages in the area of text will be printed. Selected pages will be printed out, and it is always in the active set. Others will be discussing later on. So next I will go again for the page layout here and normal page layout. So quickly go to the page setup, and I show you that this is the fit to option is here. Page printing order is for portrait, and you can choose for landscape. Then the area of pages will be changed automatically. And here you see the portrait. In the case of portrait, there is just 22% of normal size. That is, the page area will be adjusted 22%. And fit to, if you go for fit to, then the maximum area of pages will be covered, and try to cover in one page at a time. And the page size is here given as letter size, and print quality is medium. And page if you insert page number, then it will automatically started from page number 1. So this is the first page area of page setup. And in case of landscape, I will show you what will happen here. You see entire document is converted to page 1 because the text area is sufficient to be fitted in A4 paper. So you just see the preview. You see this is whole text in one page. So it is given because the adjustment is 49% here, and it is automatically tried to fit in one page. And so if you increase the percentage, then it will blur in the area and it will not fit in one page. So I will discuss this later on, but today I will just go for the portrait area. Okay, and I have already discussed. In case case of portrait area, the page layout should be also portrait, and the percentage was 82% there, so write down here, adjust it to 82%, 82%, and that is become the pre-order of my pages, page 1, page 2, page 3. So I think the first this lesson, today's lesson, is that how to give the print page numbers, page from 1 to 3, 1 to 2, and how to adjust the page setup in the view, page with view, and adjusting the page line border. It will change the page numbers. So viewers, please do it as at your own after seeing the video, and next I will go for another video for discussing more options in the page setup. Thank you.